Welcome! Legrand CRM provides deep integration with Mailchimp, which solves two key challenges in email marketing. The first challenge is how to efficiently manage multiple targeted mailing lists. The second challenge is to use campaign results to schedule follow-ups for potential sales. Let's talk about the first challenge, managing multiple targeted mailing lists. It is a well-known fact in email marketing that sending an email offer to the right person will increase your open and click-through rates. To achieve this, you need to carefully segment your audience into multiple mailing lists, and then continuously review and update those lists. Using our powerful search and bulk assign functions, you can easily assign a keyword tag to a bunch of contacts, and then synchronize those tagged contacts to a Mailchimp mailing list with the same tag name. A window appears that will keep you informed on the synchronization process. At the end of the process, a very detailed log is created, which makes it easy to find duplicate contacts or anyone with an invalid email address. The second challenge is to analyze the results of the campaign and ensure follow-ups are scheduled. With a Mailchimp campaign linked to a Legrand CRM campaign record, you can now download both the summary and the detailed results of the Mailchimp campaign. The main page of the campaign record shows you the campaign statistics. Then, in the Leads tab, you can see the full list of people who were targeted in this email campaign and the detailed results in terms of open, clicks, forwards, and bounces. You can easily filter the list to show all those who have opened the email or have clicked on a link in the email. The bulk edit function in Legrand CRM makes it very easy to schedule follow-ups. For instance, select the contacts who clicked on a link in the email that was sent out. Then, transfer all those people to a contacts work list. Then, select all those contacts and perform an assign function to create a follow-up task for all those contacts. In summary, Legrand CRM integrates tightly with Mailchimp. Use Legrand CRM to manage multiple segmented mailing lists, to analyze the campaign results, and to schedule follow-up actions that may generate new opportunities in your sales pipeline. Thank you for watching. We look forward to showing you more of Legrand CRM in our next video.